Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to keep your screen private in Anydesk by turning on privacy mode. So this is useful during remote sessions when you do not want people near the device to see sensitive information. So keep in mind that this feature is only available on supported paid plans. And first, open Anydesk on the device that you want to protect and click the menu or gear icon. Then go to settings and open the privacy section and turn on the blur option. You can also adjust how strong the blur should be. Next, go to permissions and click unlock. Approve the administrator request so Anydesk can use the privacy feature correctly. After that, enable privacy mode. Start your remote session as usual, and then during the session, open the session menu, go to settings and turn on privacy mode again to apply it. So if the option is missing or disabled, check your Anydesk plan and make sure the permissions are unlocked and update the app. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.